Shut up. Oh, okay. So, where's this at? This is right next to outside of retail, next to the house over here.
Hey, right here.
We got people fighting. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot some shots.
Come here. They on me.
Good, Tony. I like to see you out there supporting the team.
He fucked up. He went down though. He went down. His still have the scene from me.
Fear, don't do it. Fear, don't do it. Fear, look at me, Fear. You like my outfit? Yeah. Why's your mic muted? What's going on, dog? All right. Really, my objective was to distract you. We got.
Hey, it's a llama right there. It's a llama right there.
Exactly. We got people south. Ah, come on, baby. What are you talking about, brother?
Oh, I see niggas behind. Yep, I see him now.
Where they at?
Yep, fucking this niggas. Yep, that's how we do it.